Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in an iridescent pearl tri-coat and is the high country trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front seats, chrome assist steps, a 6.2-liter V8 engine, a trailer tow package with integrated trailer brake controller and auto-locking rear differential, a powered two-way tailgate, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, seat memory for our driver, as well as our power mirror, power windows, and rear window locks. Bottom of the door, we can see we have some additional storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Moving just inside to the left of our steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, as well as our drive mode select. All of our lighting, including our in-bed lighting controls and display cluster lighting. Across the floor, we have an all-weather mat. You can also see our seat here with powered settings in our jet black umber finish with the high country on the headrest. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see that we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, as well as our heated steering wheel buttons. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust what's on our display cluster information. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system with our AM/FM audio, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as our Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation. If we swipe to the right, we can also see we have Sirius XM, OnStar Connect, My Chevrolet, and we can also see our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, hitch guidelines, as well as hitch view. Moving below that, we can see that we have dual zone front climate control, heated and vented front driver and passenger seat controls. Push to start ignition is just to the left of those controls. Then across the bottom, we have our lane keep assist, front and rear park sensors, power tailgate control, our hazard lights, traction control, controls to turn on our 115-volt plugs, downhill park assist, our integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, as well as a 12-volt plug, 115-volt plug on the passenger side. Below it, wireless charging pad, some storage space, 2 cup holders, as well as more storage. You can also see our key fob here with locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate control, as well as our alarm system. Our center console, also in a jet black and umber finish. We have storage on top. Inside, some more deep storage. An SD slot, USB-C, USB, and auxiliary in the front center. Passenger seat, we can also see, is our jet black and umber finish, and heated and vented as well. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder, lighting controls, controls for our third power sliding window in the rear, and a universal garage door opener. Moving down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tires and rims, we can see that we have a 20-inch alloy rim and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we can see that we have a paint match with black accent outside mirror, chrome door handles, chrome assist steps with black padding on the bottom of the vehicle. On the back, we have our corner steps. You can also see we have dual chrome exhausts, Silverado and High Country badging in chrome, as well as our black bow ties. In the bottom, we have our trailer tow package. We have a multi-flex tailgate, as well as our backup camera on our tailgate. If we hit our top button, that allows the top to fold. And then if we hit the bottom one, it opens the tailgate itself. Moving to the back of the bed, we can see we have our cable tie-downs, as well as in the front of the bed. Also have in-bed lighting and 115-volt plugs. And across the bottom of the bed, we have our ShevTech spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see that we have our chrome finish door handle again, our power window control, some storage in the bottom, as well as our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. Between the two front seats, we have two cup holders and some storage, as well as our two vents, a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug. Passenger seat also has a storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see we have three in the back, all finished in our jet black umber leather. In our center seat, we have two more cup holders, as well as some storage. We have a power third rear window behind that. The back of the seats, we have our storage compartments. Then underneath the seats, which we can simply press on to lift up, we have storage underneath, as well as our all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.